My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. This is a 5 minutes, 3 ingredients, plant-based, protein-rich gravy that will improve the taste of any of your meals. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach, and you're on my cooking channel where I teach how to turn foods into your best medicine. I said 5 minutes, let's go. So first thing you need, the most important ingredients is garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Then you're going to need aquafaba. What the heck is aquafaba? Very simple. It's chickpeas water. Okay, let's go. To the blender. Boom, the entire thing. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. If you didn't see the video how to make it, watch it right here. Give it a good shake to mix all the ingredients, and you want about 1 tablespoon. I just eye the ingredients. For a cheesier taste, I like to add extra nutritional yeast, about 1 tablespoon. Okay, ready to blend. And look how it turns into a gravy. Literally 3 minutes, not even full 5. Let's give it a taste and see if we want to add something. This is the consistency, by the way. Perfect for a gravy. Yum. You know, I would add maybe a little bit of lemon juice. Let's do that. I think it's going to taste better now. Okay, let's give it a taste. I think it calls for some salt. It's just a little bit, maybe, what is this? Like a 1/4 teaspoon, maybe a little more. Himalayan salt. Final spin. I think it's ready. Perfect. You want to try? Let me give you a spoon. Here you go. My favorite sides to serve it with is sweet potato, quinoa, mashed cauliflower, but you can pick your favorite sides. Give it a try. Delicious. Like this video and subscribe to my channel so you stay tuned for my next video.